Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix stuck on shutting down screen in Windows 11, 10. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control, click power. Open Hibernate enabled default, change value data to 0. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controller, right-click USB Root Hub, click Properties, click Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, same steps to be followed on other USB hubs. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Uninstall recently installed application. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Recovery. Press F5 to safe mode with networking. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.